Let us jump right into the video and discuss the 20 things you should do when a debt collector calls you. 1. Ask the debt collector to identify themselves. It is important that you make sure the person calling is actually a debt collector and not a scammer. 2. Ask them to provide proof of the debt. Ask them to provide a written statement showing the amount of the debt, who it is owed to, and when it became due. 3. Don't give out personal information. Don't provide any information about your bank account or credit card numbers, social security number, or other personal information. 4. Ask for the debt collector's contact information. Get their name, company name, address, and telephone number. 5. Request that they stop calling. Ask them to stop calling and to only communicate with you in writing. 6. Keep a record of all conversations. Write down the date, time, and details of each conversation you have with them. 7. Ask them to validate the debt. Request them to provide proof that you owe the debt, such as a copy of the original agreement or contract. 8. Request them to cease all communication. If you don't want to be contacted by them, you can request that they cease all communications. 9. Don't agree to any payment arrangements you cannot keep. Make sure that you can actually keep up with the payments, if you agree to a payment plan. 10. Ask them to delete any negative information from your credit report. If the debt is invalid, you can request that they delete any negative information from your credit report. 11. Request that the debt collector send you a letter of notification. Ask for them to send you a letter of notification that includes the amount of the debt, who it is owed to, and when it became due. 12. Dispute the debt. If you believe that you do not owe the debt, you can file a dispute with them. 13. Get everything in writing. Ask for them to put any agreement they make with you in writing. 14. Consider seeking legal advice. You may want to consider seeking legal advice if you are dealing with aggressive or harassing debt collectors. 15. Contact the Federal Trade Commission. You can file a complaint with the FTC if you believe that a debt collector has violated the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. 16. Request a settlement. You can request a settlement for a lesser amount, if you cannot pay the full amount of the debt. 17. Request a payment plan. If you are unable to pay the full amount of the debt, you can request a payment plan with them. 18. Offer to pay the debt in full. If you have the money and are able to pay the full amount of the debt, you can offer to do so, as that would save you a lot of hassle and it would be the smart thing to do. 19. Contact a credit counseling service. If you are having difficulty managing your debt, you can contact a credit counseling service for help. 20. File for bankruptcy. You can file for bankruptcy and get a fresh start, if you are unable to pay your debts. These are some of the things you should ideally do if a debt collector calls you. If you found this video helpful, only then do we expect you to like it, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care and have a great day.